Hello and welcome to the Russian alphabet part 3 in this practical Russian course for beginning students. Your Russian teacher for this course is Tamara Morton. Here the course continues with the third part of the Russian alphabet. See the links to parts 1 and 2 in the description box below. The 6 letters in yellow have their own unique look and sound. The 2 letters in grey will be described later in the lesson.
The Russian letter Z sounds like Z as in pleasure. The next Russian letter C sounds like C as it in its. The Russian letter Ch sounds like Ch as in church. The Russian letter Sh sounds like Sh as in shut. The Russian letter Sh sounds like Sh as in Welsh sheep. The next Russian letter is the vowel U. This letter has no equivalent sound in English. To pronounce this Russian letter correctly, you need to consider the correct position of your tongue. Now, imagine that your tongue is a snail, and you are trying to hide your tongue, snail, at the back of your shell. The tip of your tongue shouldn't touch any teeth or the roof of your mouth.
With the back of the tongue, touch the roof of the mouth. Pull the tip of the tongue back so that it does not touch the teeth. Say U with your lips drawn in the position for E and try to pronounce
U.
For English speakers, this is an unusual position for the tongue, so initially it might be difficult to pronounce this letter in combination with other letters. Everyone learning Russian experiences this at the beginning. Now we're going to read Russian words based on the 31 Russian letters you have learned.
Что?
What?
Чей?
Whose?
Это?
This?
Что это?
What's this?
Чей это багаж?
Whose is this baggage?
Чек,
Check.
чип,
Chip.
шок,
Shock.
цемент,
Cement.
кварц,
Quartz.
чай,
Tea.
сын,
Sun.
еж,
Hedgehog.
шея,
Neck.
нож,
Knife.
штат,
State.
шут,
Jester.
США,
USA.
сыр,
Cheese.
сэр,
Sir.
дым,
Smoke.
наш,
Ours.
шеф,
Chef.
чей,
Whose?
мяч,
Ball.
меч,
Sword.
час,
Hour.
жук,
Beetle.
муж,
Husband.
жена,
Wife.
усы,
Mustache.
шорты,
Shorts.
медицина,
Medicine.
рецепт,
Recipe.
очки,
Glasses.
шоколад,
Chocolate.
шампанское,
Champagne.
жасмин,
Jasmine.
часы,
watch or clock,
еще,
more or yet,
душ,
shower,
душа,
soul,
щука,
pike, a fish,
цапля,
heron,
ключ,
key,
цирк,
circus,
лицо,
face,
лица,
faces,
столица,
metropolis.
The next Russian letter is a soft sign. It has no sound of its own. It makes the preceding letter sound softer. Гость,
Guest, visitor,
ГОСТ,
GOST, Russian standard system,
ел,
ate,
ель,
fir tree,
мол,
breakwater,
моль,
moth,
мел,
chalk,
мель,
shallow, of water,
угол,
angle,
уголь,
coal,
ролл,
roll,
роль,
roll,
дал,
gave,
даль,
distance,
бульон,
bullion,
карьер,
excavation,
карьера,
career,
обезьяна,
monkey,
компьютер,
computer,
компаньон,
companion,
жизнь,
life,
мышь,
mouse,
шаль,
shawl,
речь,
speech,
мать,
mother,
цена,
price,
сцена,
scene,
чемпион,
champion,
багаж,
baggage,
дочь,
daughter,
жаккард.
jacquard, a fabric,
The next Russian letter is heart sign. It has no sound of its own. It represents a very short pause. Объект,
object,
субъект,
subject,
инъекция,
injection,
адъютант,
adjutant,
конъюнктивит,
conjunctivitis,
объявление,
announcement. Now we're going to read Russian words based on the 33 letters you have learned. Try to pronounce each word and then listen and repeat the word after tomorrow.
Repeat the following letters out loud after me. Ж, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, Ы. Буквы, слова.
Letters, words.
Колледж,
College,
дождь,
rain,
школа,
school,
язык,
language or tongue,
мышь,
mouse,
рыба,
fish,
дельфин,
dolphin,
девушка,
young girl,
девочка,
girl,
мальчик,
boy,
юноша,
young boy,
Фиджи,
Fiji,
Вьетнам,
Vietnam,
Турция,
Turkey,
Швеция,
Sweden,
Израиль,
Israel,
Чехия,
Czech Republic,
Франция,
France,
Польша,
Poland,
Мальдивы,
Maldives,
Швейцария,
Switzerland,
Лихтенштейн,
Liechtenstein,
столицы, Варшава,
Warsaw,
Афины,
Athens,
Алжир,
Algeria,
Стокгольм,
Stockholm,
Хельсинки,
Helsinki,
Вашингтон,
Washington,
Брюссель,
Brussels,
Шанхай,
Shanghai,
Джакарта,
Jakarta,
Камбоджа,
Cambodia,
Russian names: Витя, Ольга, Женя, Эмма, Шура, Жанна, Илья, Шарлотта, Миша. Страны и столицы: Чад, Шри-Ланка, Йошкар-Ола, Нью-Йорк, Чили, Чехия, Сейшелы.
You have learned all the Russian alphabet and read another 144 new Russian words. If you like this video, please subscribe, ring the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time in my practical Russian course for the Russian alphabet part 4.